Hey, it's me, Donnie. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm coming to you guys with another unboxing. This one is going to be another pre-loved unboxing. As you guys know, I hate paying retail for luxury. Your girl is balling on a budget, so whenever I can find something for a steal of a deal, I grab it. This particular item is actually from Fashionphile. You see the Fashionphile logo there, as well as some lovely decoration. Here is what it looks like. This is a Fashionphile receipt, and unlike the other luxury brands, and I guess because it's a resale website, this actually came with a receipt. If you care, I paid $225 for this item, $247.73 with tax, and they have this insert in here that says thank you, tag us with Fashionphile should I decide to share it on Instagram. So the next thing in here is a little nail file, and it says I like my money where I can see it hanging in the closet, and that is adorable. And then it's got Fashionphile's logo on the back, so it comes nicely wrapped. And then they have a sticker on here that says used is the new. We open it up, and there's a Fashionphile dust bag in here for my item. We're going to go ahead and whip the item out. So it comes in this really cute Fashionphile dust bag. This particular item that I got didn't come with all of its original accessories. But this is my first time buying off Fashionphile, and I didn't want to go balls to the wall with something crazy expensive. So here is my item. And I know you're probably like, girl, what the hell? But this is actually a case from Hermes. This is the Bolide case in the mini size. They have a medium, which is like bigger than this, the mini size, which is this size, and then they have a mini size, which is like a miniature size. A big part of why I bought this was because it is obviously big enough to fit my cell phone, but also because of the tabs here on the side, I can attach a chain to this or some other strap to this and turn this into a bag. I haven't picked out the strap that I want to get yet because I wanted to make sure that this came and it was the right size and everything that I needed. I kind of took a little chance. I didn't want to wait too long on this item. I checked the dimensions, and now that I have it in front of me, it's very obvious that my phone's going to fit in here. I'm going to grab a strap, and I'm also going to grab some items so we can see just how much fits in here. And here is my Coach turn lock clutch, and then here is the Hermes Bolide case, so about double the size of capacity. And then to the side here, all right, so quite a bit wider and just larger in capacity. I'm gonna take the little thing off, but I didn't want to take it off right now. And then obviously it comes stuffed. I believe that this was either very good or good condition. Just close up on it, it actually looked like worse online. Like, it actually is in really good shape. There's one little spot here where it's kind of, you know, faded, but just looking at it, it's in really good shape. The leather, there's no scuffs or anything that I can tell on the leather. Here on the bottom, here's the side, and then there's the Hermes logo right there. I'm gonna just use the Coach strap because, again, I think I want to carry this more as like an everyday crossbody bag. If I get a chain, I'm gonna get one that causes it to hit here. And that's what it looks like on the hip. This is what it looks like in hand, which, again, I didn't buy it to carry it in hand. I bought it because I wanted an everyday purse. And yeah, this could also be good in my larger bags as, you know, a catch-all, but more than anything else, I just wanted a cute little black bag. All right, so here is the case again, so you can see, and let's check out what fits inside. All right, I have it open all the way. I told y'all my rule is it has to fit my phone. My phone fits in there just fine. All right, so it fits horizontally. It barely fits vertically, but what I don't like is that it causes that to happen, so I'll definitely probably be putting my phone in sideways for the most part. Okay, next we'll add my wallet and keys, which This old Michael Kors wallet and keys, I think I've told y'all this in videos past. I've had this for like forever and it's seen better days. Alright, so here is my thick wallet and keys, my big SLG with my cell phone in there, which you can hardly see. But anyway, I have some sunscreen that I'm going to add in here. You can fit a mascara and a brow in there. And actually, I can put the brow and the mascara in kind of like diagonal vertical. I'm going to throw in a Dior lip. But yeah, of all my little small items, this probably has the largest capacity. This could definitely make for an everyday bag. Alright, and then that's what it looks like. So kind of a little misshapen, but fits everything comfortably nonetheless. It's not causing the zipper to bow out or anything like that. This is like gonna be really cute as my everyday bag. I'm so excited. This is gonna be my first actual Hermes piece. As y'all know, I also have this whack mini notebook from the Cheapest Luxury series. I'm sure that could also fit in here as well, but I'm not gonna humor y'all with that. But this was actually the first Hermes item that I ever got, brand new. Still have the box and everything because I'm sentimental like that. But as far as like an actual functional piece, this will be my first functional Hermes piece. There are lots of other really cool things from the brand that I would love to check out. But again, you know me, I love the hunt. I love finding unique things that I feel like reflect my style. I'm a casual girl at heart, so this bag is really gonna go with my everyday stuff. It's modeled after the Bolide purse, which again is way out of my budget, child. But you'd actually be surprised at how many things are in Hermes's collection that are actually affordable. I believe that this is normally about $360, so I spent about $100 less than usual. So right as I was ending this video, my camera decided to die. So I just wanted to add that I think Fashionphile did a really good job of boxing this up and presenting it to me. It didn't come with all of its original things. So because they packaged it the way that they did and sent it to me the way that they did, I still got the experience of unboxing something really nice. I'm really excited to style the Hermes case and everything. Having this case that can, you know, one, be a carry-all, but two, also be like a cute crossbody bag. It's gonna be a lot of fun. It's black and brown, which will go with like most of what I wear. I mean, hell, it even matches what I'm wearing now. So I'm super duper excited. I'm gonna have to find a chain for it, either a chain or I'm probably gonna end up getting like either a black canvas strap or a black leather strap to go with this, and I may get a brown strap as well. If y'all want updates on it, please let me know down in the comment section below. Let me know where you guys like to hunt for things. And that is the video. I wanted to make sure that I had some closure for you guys. Till next video, peace.